Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Branches of chemistry. Our topic, first of all, physical chemistry, the study of physical properties of matter. Physical chemistry, study of physical properties of matter. Physical properties: boiling point, melting point, solubilities. It is all physical properties of matter and studied in physical chemistry. And second, our organic chemistry, the study of hydrocarbon and their derivative in the organic chemistry. And study of organic compound structure, properties, composition, reaction, preparation of organic compound in the organic chemistry. Carbon containing hydrocarbon also studied in the organic chemistry, except oxide, carbonate, bicarbonate, and cyanide. All other compounds studied in the organic chemistry, and these compounds studied in the inorganic chemistry: oxide, carbonate, bicarbonate, and cyanide. These are all studied in the inorganic chemistry. For example, organic compound: protein, carbohydrate, lipids, gasoline, plastic, dyes, natural gas, and medicines. All these are organic compounds are studied in the organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry, study of all element and their compounds. Inorganic chemistry, all element and their compound except hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon studied in organic chemistry, and except hydrocarbon, all other compounds studied in inorganic chemistry. The compound obtained from non-living organism are studied in inorganic chemistry. Example: cyanide, carbonate, and carbonate, oxide, carbonate, cyanide. Oxide, carbonate, and cyanide are studied in inorganic chemistry, and glass, cement, ceramic, and metrology. All these are all compounds studied in inorganic chemistry. Biochemistry, study of chemical reaction inside of living organism. Chemical reaction two type: first anabolic and catabolic. And combining both is called metabolic. Anabolic means to form, to make something, to make something. To it means simple to complex. Simple combined to make a complex is called anabolic reaction in the plant. For example, photosynthesis. During the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water to combine to make a glucose. Plant photosynthesis reaction: carbon dioxide combined with water to make a chemistry. Industrial chemistry, study of chemical process involved in the chemical industries for manufacture of synthetic product. Synthetic product in the industries are studied in industrial chemistry. The study of chemical process involved in the chemical industries for manufacture of synthetic product, glass, cement, medicine, are these synthetic in the industries studied in the industrial chemistry. Nuclear chemistry, study of nuclear process and properties, is called nuclear chemistry. A study of radioactivities process of the nucleus is called nuclear chemistry. Environmental chemistry, study of interaction chemical material and their effect on the environments of the animal and plants, is studied in the environmental chemistry. Analytical chemistry, study of analyze of given substance. Study of analyze of given substance is called analytical chemistry. Analyze two types. One is quality quality based analyze, and second is quantity based analyze. Analyze two types. First, quality based analyze. Second, quantity based analyze. Also stated in analytical chemistry. Medicinal chemistry, study of drugs and pharmaceutical agent. Study of drugs and pharmaceutical agent in the medicinal chemistry. And quantum chemistry, study of application and application mechanics. Quantum chemistry, study of application mechanics and experiment of physical models studied in quantum chemistry. Application mechanics, experiment of physical models in the chemical system studied in the quantum chemistry. Green chemistry, study of reduce hazard substance to produce plants and to reduce hazard substance, is called green chemistry.